Hey everybody, Felix Staffelbaker here. I wanted to make a video about some of the crazy stuff that we are seeing in the traditional market that is spilling over into the crypto assets and really just causing quite a stir. There's a company called Melvin Capital, which is a hedge fund, and they were shorting the Gamestop stock using over 136% of the available supply they were shorting. And so what ended up happening was some people online on Twitter and also on Reddit saw this, and much like if you remember back in 2010 and 2011, after Occupy Wall Street, Max Kaiser had discovered a huge short position on JP Morgan's balance sheet with silver, and in order to try and crash JP Morgan, he had everybody buy physical silver, and it drove the price up from in the teens all the way up to $50 an ounce before they had to buy enough physical silver to cover their positions and keep them honest. And so that's just what this was a group of online investors, people who look for chart setups and all those types of things, seeing a publicly posted short from this company and saw that it was fraud, and so they got everybody together and got everybody to buy a bunch of the stock, and it actually stopped out their short, causing $125 million and causing basically their company to go bankrupt or whatever. So now we're seeing that they shut down the trading for that, so everyone moved over to the other thing they were shorting, which was AMC, and then they shut that down. And I mean, it's just a full-on digital war right now, going crazy, and some of the stuff is just hilarious to watch, especially because now the people who were committing the fraud want everybody to be stopped and want to shut all the people down who exposed it, basically. And you see people on CNBC defending it, while literally the steadfast Chamath Palihapitiya is up there just literally spitting truth bombs. I mean, he's one of the coolest guys. If you've never heard him speak, you need to look him up. His name's Chamath Palihapitiya. And I mean, the dude is just so articulate and just absolutely shreds all the hosts, because, you know, they're defending these fraudsters in the traditional space, and Chamath is just saying, like, look, it was an arbitrage opportunity and these people took advantage. It's no different than how Tesla was treated, and then now, you know, their valuations are trading 10 times higher. So it's just hilarious to watch. But what we're seeing is this is transitioning over to where now those people can jump into decentralized assets like Bitcoin and EOS, where markets trade 24/7 and they can't be shut down with things like decentralized exchanges. So it's coming now to the point where we're actually fighting the bankers, and it's like actually a full-on war now. And so I think a lot of people not paying attention to what's really happening might be caught by surprise. You know, this might be the Lehman Brothers Moment of this crash, and it might end up being, you know, the straw that breaks the camel's back and the catalyst to start to cause all of this to unravel in a major way, because we're seeing all these manipulations now to stop the exposure of what had already taken place. So I think that this is a really unique time and a fantastic time to be alive and involved in really taking place in taking our power back from the bankers and really sticking it to them in the only way that they listen, and it's directly in the pocketbook. They don't even listen to physical stuff, so there's no point. You just literally hit them in the pocketbook over and over and over and over, and we can take the power back. So I just want to put that out there. Staffelbaker out.